Hi guys, Networth Tech here. This is the second part of Windows Vista obsolete? And so in the last video we did, can it browse the web including watching YouTube? It can easily do that in 1080p. Can it check email? Yeah, but not through the Windows Mail app because that's a nuisance. But it can on Internet Explorer using the basic HTML version, but on Google Chrome it works just fine using the regular Gmail. So now what we're going to do is, can it play games such as Minecraft? As you can see here, I've got Minecraft installed onto the desktop and it doesn't work that well, but we're going to try it anyway. For some reason it likes to pop up some native log there. I don't know why, but Minecraft is weird sometimes. Just wait for it to load, then play. So what it will do is it will try to launch, but you'll see in a second what it does. So you see how Minecraft launcher is closed? Well, yeah, it'll relaunch reopen in a second, saying that there isn't enough graphics memory or anything, but this is the typical amount of graphics memory what a Windows Vista computer would have. So unfortunately, gaming such as Minecraft gets a no. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to see if Windows Vista can work on Google Docs. Okay, so I've got a Google Docs tab opened here, and we're just going to go with the project proposal topic template. Okay, so the images will take a second to load, but that's probably due to my internet. But yeah, it loads perfectly. It's fully workable. For example, I'm going to get rid of this last part and go, hello you hello YouTube. That works just fine. I'm sure I could type an essay on here if I had to. So, can it do work on Google Docs? We're going to give that a yes. But just to prove that it works even better, we're going to try with Google Sheets as well. Okay, so we're going to open the template of monthly budget. And it loads. And once again, works just fine. Bit of lag, but that's okay. Works just fine. So for example, I can modify this. So, okay, I can, yeah, so just showed the formula there. I can modify this so it says 30% and it will work. Yeah, I can change it to 30% or anything. Google Docs is just being a nuisance once again. But yeah, works just fine. Alright, so now we're going to test if Windows Vista can run a virtual machine. Okay, so I installed VirtualBox and I also installed a version of Tiny called Linux. I thought maybe we should just start with the basics. So I got the recommended settings, so 768 megabytes of RAM, 12 megabytes of video memory, I think it's a 12 gigabyte hard drive. I'll double check there. Yeah, 12 gigabytes. So let's start it. Switch to full screen. Boot Tiny Core. Just wait for it to boot up quickly, or take a second. Let's capture the screen, and it works just fine. For example, we can access the control panel. I haven't installed anything on here, but yeah, we can do everything. Wallpaper. I don't really know what I'm doing here, but yeah. Can open the terminal. This. Okay, I'm not very good with Linux terminal, but yeah, it works just fine. So I'm going to power off the machine. And yeah, so for can it run a virtual machine, let's give this a big yes. As you can see, Windows Vista is totally usable as long as you don't do any gaming on there. Alright guys, thanks for watching Networth Tech, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya!